Okay, so here with me is the Timberland that I just recently ordered. Nature Needs a Hero, the MTCR collection. And here I'm just gonna open the box. Is 50% of the boot is made from recycled material, and the laces are actually the laces of this boots. This pair of boots is made from 100% recycled material. So here's the whole box. All right, and here we can see the packaging, and here it basically shows all the environmental friendly stuff that Timberland did. So this is the new boots that I got from Timberland. As I've mentioned before, this is made from the boot itself is made from 50% recycled material, and the laces are actually 100% made from recycled material, plastic bottle to be exact. It's pretty classic, and it's got a white sole and Timberland symbol. Timberland's logo. And the slogan for this is Nature Needs a Hero, because I'd assume it's from because of the material that it's made from. So yeah. So here's the new Timberland boots that I got. I guess it would be it would count as a gift for myself for getting the IPA honorable mention awards. So here's the label on the shoebox, MTCR. Sweet full grain color. And I bought it off the Timberland official website. Right now, I think it's on sale for $5,200 NT. And $5,500 NT, but apparently there's a $300 discount on it, so it came to a total of $5,200. They come in different colors. I think there's also black, gray color, and the classic. Wait, no, there's a darker brown on this one too. So you guys can check it out if you like how this pair of boots look. I think it's pretty decent. Yeah, so well, I'm just sharing my new boots to everyone. So you guys like it, you can go check it out.